To connect eBay to Nembol, click the Connect Channels button and select the eBay icon. The eBay login page will open. Enter your credentials and click Sign In. eBay will ask you to grant access to Nembol. Confirm to proceed. Once all steps are completed, your eBay store will be connected and active listings will be imported automatically, including unsold and scheduled listings. You can then adjust your import settings if your Nembol plan allows it and filter your next product import to bring more of your eBay products into Nembol.